busy, exciting and informative. We've had quite a busy day, which is always a positive, so we were able to meet a lot of stakeholders in this environment and potential customers, and also take part in some good information sharing with other key players in industry as well. Yes, so we actually today had a nice opportunity to have a lot of quality conversations with the right stakeholders in the company, the right personas for us to also engage with. We'll definitely always review what happened in this, but on the premise of today's conversations, we'll definitely be encouraged to participate into the future as well. As business is always based in relationship building, it was nice to have the opportunity to meet other delegates that you not necessarily have the opportunity to speak to, and also creating an environment to make it easy.